Namaste. Here is a problem. Calculate the electrostatic force of repulsion between 2-point charges plus 2 microcoulomb and plus 6 microcoulomb in air medium when they are separated by a distance of 15 nanometer. Then 1 microcoulomb is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Then plus 2 microcoulomb is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Plus 6 microcoulomb is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay. Then 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, and 15 nanometer is equal to 15 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. We get all this value. Then we put this value in force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. We get this value, we know this value, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, into 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb divided by 15 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 9. This will be Newton. Then we rearrange this. 9 into 2 into 6 divided by 15 into 15. Okay, 15 into 15. Then 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 is 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9. This will be in Newton. Then into 10 to the power 9. Here is 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 3 times 9. Then 10 to the power 27 minus 12 is equal to 15. Then 3 जा 3 5 जा 3 2 जा 3 5 जा 12 by 15, 12 by 25, 5 5 जा 25, 25. Okay, into 10 to the power 15 Newton. This will be 0.48 into 10 to the power 15 Newton. Then we decimal point to this place. Then 4.8 into by 10. Then 10 to the power 14. 4.8 into 10 to the power 14 Newton. This will be the answer. Thank you. Namaste.